Hi everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful lotus flower using paper. The only thing you need to make these flowers is only a square piece of paper of the colors of your choice. I highly recommend that you use a softer kind of paper, for example, towel paper or serviettes, so that it's easier for you to fold, particularly in this style of flower. The best option would be a linen cloth where it will give you the best results. And the reason not to use normal papers is because it's easier to be ripped after you lift them up at the end of this tutorial. You will see what I meant by that when at the end of this tutorial. Now, is come the final part, is also the hardest part. You have to lift individual petal up so that it creates a curved look of a lotus petal. Be very careful and gently lift them up. This is what I have told you before, that not to use a paper. I mean a normal paper, because it will be easily to be ripped. As you can see when you pull them up, it's really hard to do that unless you have a linen napkin or softer paper. Then you shouldn't have any such a problem.